Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new, unique and different ideas of paintbrush creativity that you can use to decorate your houses, your rooms in a more different way. So if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love these creative ideas. In this video, I bring some different and creative ideas for my viewers as they can see in these pictures that these creative paintbrush ideas made with different types of paint brushes. It can also be used with different types of ribbons as different brushes are combined together to form a wreath paint brush wreath shape idea, and it can also be used as different types of restaurants as in northern areas it can be used as a hanging like made it like a snowman and represents or hanged it on different restaurants. Mostly these paint brushes can be representable in the form of different Christmas ornaments. They can be used, or mostly in these pictures as you can see that these paint brushes can be decorated with different Christmas events, and it can be a shape of Santa Claus, or it can be decorated with the different painting ideas. Different flowers can be used in it as in this picture crochet flower is made on it, and different paper flowers can also be made on it. Different shapes can you can give to these brushes to make them according to your selected theme. I hope you will love these creative ideas and unique designs, and that can enhance your creative skills if you want to learn them from this video. And I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my videos. So viewers, your positive response and feedback motivates me to bring some new collection for you and some new and unique creative craft ideas for you. So if you have any request, do mention in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your all requests, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, do mention in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. And if you like this video, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and your support motivates me to bring new ideas for you. So keep sharing, keep supporting me. Viewers, thank you.